What is goody, y'all? It's your girl Eva K, and I'm back at it one more again with another headband wig. If you guys are ready to find out my thoughts on this beautiful, gorgeous, curly headband wig, stay tuned. Alright, y'all, you know the drill. Before I get into this video, I gotta send a huge shout out to Unice Hair for sending out this unit for me to review. So they included such cute little gifts in the bag. They had a headband in there, they had lashes in there, stuff for your nails, just really cute, really thoughtful. Thanks, Unice. Alright, so y'all, do you see these luscious, plump, beautiful curls in this wig? Do you see this, sis? So the wig did come with one big comb in the front and a comb in the back with the adjustable Velcro straps. To prep the wig, the only thing I did was wash and condition it with Couture natural hair products, and I let it air dry. Y'all, I was feeling this joint. Ooh, 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 ooh. It felt so good, y'all, like super soft. So that's the headband that was included in the box with the wig. So let's see what this joint look like. Let's tie her up and see what she looking like. So this actually could be included as a look, you know, to each his own. But if you want, you can wed up and in a ponytail, you know, if you so desire. I want it to be a little bit more dramatic though, so I let her down, fluffed her out some, did a faux side part, and this is the result. So this next look is easy enough as well. Just get half of the hair, twist it up, and pin it up. Period.
Now see I done went out and bought all these dang headbands. More headbands. Another headband? More headbands? Come on now. Sis. Go. Oh. Guess I'm gonna go with that one.
Now I did get most of those headbands that I showed from my local beauty store, but some of them I got on Amazon as well, so I'll make sure to leave a link down below for you guys so you can check out some affordable headbands on Amazon as well. All right, now don't hurt them, sis. Y'all, this next headband is probably my most favorite out of all the headbands in this video. I thought it was so cute. Blue is my favorite color, but pink is probably my next favorite color. Y'all can't tell me I'm not serving 90s vibes with this headband. And I guess I'll give my door knockers a little cred for the 90s vibe I was feeling with this look. I swear, I feel like I could have been like in a 90s TV show or something like that. Cute little look. And just in case any of you guys are admiring my necklace, I actually have a bracelet that I like to wear with it as well. But I got it from my boo, Monet Dior Couture. If you're looking for some really cute, fashionable, trendy jewelry, check my boo out. You won't be disappointed, I promise. All right, let's do another style. So right here, I'm just separating the hair in the front to make myself some faux bangs. Y'all, where did I think I was going with them little bangs? Looking like the baby hair on some of these Unice we be buying. Baby bangs. So glad I'm fixing it. Cause yeah, no, that wasn't gonna work, sis. Really, y'all, this headband wig is legit the dopest wig I've had in a long time. It's so versatile. The curl pattern is sick. I mean, like, come on. I mean, like, really, come on. Look at those curls. They are so juicy, just plump. And although I have type 4C edges and hair, I feel like I could still get away with this curl pattern. It's absolutely gorgeous, y'all. Look at me popping my collar like I did something, popping my jacket. Good back. All right, cult favorite, time for a pineapple. Let's see how this turns out. I couldn't help it, y'all. I'm sorry. By now, y'all should already know your girl is goofy. So it's a number of ways that you can go about achieving this pineapple. I will say get you a good sleeve though when you try to achieve it, because mine was just a little bit too stretched out. Yeah, it's trying to give me problems. It was trying, but I think it still came out okay. Trying to be cute. I should have made sure I had that big old country headband from before taking off, before I try to be all cute and stuff, showing y'all everything. I ain't even double check for myself. I tell you. I'm still learning, y'all. Be patient with me. Be patient. No edges, no problem, sis. You go back and look at a video I posted from February, March time. Yeah, I ain't had no edges either, girl. Tell you that video will give you hope it was a live stream, but girl, let's see where my edges came from, girl. Mine could come back. Anybody's could come back. Keep the hope, sis. Keep the hope. Keep the hope alive, baby. I'm gonna try to remember to link the live stream down below, so all you curious Karens, curious Kathys can go check it out. These curls are serving, y'all. They serving. All right, so this headband is another one that gave me 90s vibes. Like, if I don't look like the DVD cover for Martin, boy, I'm talking about, that's Martin right there. That's the background for Martin. She's still a look though, baby. She's still a look. Now, y'all, I absolutely love that little gold headband that I got on, but we'll get into that in a second. What I'm showing y'all is that the wig was sliding back. So no matter how much I tried to pull it forward, I could still feel it like kind of sliding back. And of course I attribute that to me not using the combs and just using a wig grip. And also because of my big dome. So yeah, the combination of them two wasn't very secure. And just in case We got some newbies in the building. My head is measuring 23 inches in circumference. Yeah, that was an epic fail right there. I don't know what I was trying to do, but obviously I didn't do it. Period. Let's try this again. Like I was saying, that gold headband, y'all, I thought it was so cute. And I just put it right on top of the black headband that come on the wig. Now that, my babies, is Nora Gold's Herbal Hemp Leave-In Conditioner and Detangler. And y'all, I swear by this stuff. Just a little bit of shedding, which really, I didn't get much shedding out of this wig at all. Very minimal shedding. Look at that curl pattern and how that just plumped those curls right back up to its juicy state. Ooh. And you don't have to use what I use. You can use water and get that same effect, sis. This wig is everything. Like, all of it. And who can't use a nice leopard print headband? Once again, I'm going to leave a link to all the headbands down in my description box. As many as I can find anyway. So y'all check that out. I'm going to leave a couple more things down there too. So make sure y'all open up that description box before leaving the video. Now let's all have a moment of silence for this slow-mo. All right. I guess that's enough shenanigans out of me for one day. I do appreciate you guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I love y'all.